G'day guys, Greg again from MHI Roofing. I'm just out at Sinnamon Park looking at a possible Cooldek Stratco Outback solution for this client's home. They're renovating, beautiful home, and they're starting from the top and working down. So we're just looking at ways to make a solution work here and get them the best possible span at the same time as making it affordable for them. So here we have an internally built old style patio with some C-purlins made from galvanised steel and some trim deck sheeting. And the clients are looking to demolish that little bit of storage there and move their water tank and extend the patio out to where you can see the concrete extension there. 50mm Cooldek solution will work perfectly. We'll need to put some new posts on the slab there, get the project drawn up and certified and approved by a certifier. We should be able to span all the way from the wall out. It's 4.6 meters. We'll put some gutter on the end of it, and then we'll be able to go all the way around the corner. It returns around the corner of the house, giving them a nice big outdoor space. So stay tuned and we'll send some more photos and video once we get this project complete.